Good afternoon, everybody. Crypto Strang here. Another massive news this week from Veracity. Spoke about this project a lot on this channel, I know, and it's one of my biggest hopes for next bull run and beyond. I think it's a wonderful project, quite unique. As I've stated many times before, I've done so many videos now on Veracity. Please check them out on the channel. But big news this week, you can see on the screen, one of the most important advertising markets worldwide, digital advertising, adds 526 billion euros to the EU economy each year. Now, Veraviews can now market POV across Europe. They've got the patent, they've got the license, they've got the approval, with full patent protection building on our European events and industry. So this is massive news again. This is huge news. The fact they've got their license in Europe now. Now, this market is absolutely huge. Now, we spoke many times about the tokenomics, not going through that again today. There was the big news beginning of the month, that huge burn. This is so perfectly poised. Now, it's never financial advice, as you know. If you don't own Veracity, strongly suggest you read up on it and see the potential here with the Burns unique thing, what they're doing with their proof of views, basically making advertising genuine. Okay, it's not these robots, it's genuine people, and they do that proof of views. Now, we go on their site, it goes really in depth. By 2025, advertiser total loss to ad fraud could skyrocket to 100 billion. There's a lot of information on it. You can see here, setup time is 5 minutes to set up the Veraviews and to guarantee the ads you do in are genuine people. Accuracy rate's 97.5%, which is incredible. Impressions processed, 253 million. Simple setup, eliminate fraud. Obviously, that's the main part of it. Do you want to spend money just for the sake of pointless robots and exaction people ripping you off and fraud? Okay, reduce payment times, distribute ledger technology. But Veraviews is powered by the proof of view. Open ledger advertising ecosystem built around Veracity's patent proof of view, POV fraud identification technology. Now, the fact they've got the European license, absolutely incredible. Now, I saw this tweet as well, and it sums it up really to me in all aspects. The fact they've all got their proof of view patent is now covered in America, which obviously huge, China, South Korea, Hong Kong, Eurasia, and now Europe. Okay, this is unbelievable. So we've had a lot of great news in the last month. They also had a big pump when they did that massive burn. We've had a natural correction, which you expect in a bear market. However, this is perfectly poised for the next bull run. Even sent a link on their Twitter to see where they've actually done this proof and the actual patent proof in Europe. Okay, so you've got it all there. Look, a lot of it doesn't make sense there, let's be honest, but everything they've done, all the process they've gone through to get there. So that's really good. Also found this interesting site recently, crypti.io. I'll put a link below. So as many sites doing the burn tracking, you can see the different project now they're getting on, but I think Crypti really is the one what I like the most. You can see here the total burn. The burn rate is actually 59 out of all tokens, coins out there, okay? Now, the past 1 week burn, now they've done some more burns. I saw a recent, it's not tweets, not from Veracity, but someone else about this. So they've actually done another 884,000 Veracity been burnt, okay, which is absolutely incredible. Okay, and it really does highlight the fact what they're doing here. Now, as I say, the supply, it's still not corrected on CoinMarkup or CoinGecko, but we've stated many times before, they've burnt so much of the tokens as all my previous videos. So I'll put a link below for the previous videos, which spoke about that massive burn. And I say the price did pump a lot. Okay, massive went up, then I say we've had the correction. Okay, now, when you actually go on CoinMarkup, you can see here, we're actually down nearly 6%. In the last 24 hours. But you go through 7 days, you can see we're down 4.5%. But 1 month, we're up nearly 25%. Let's say we had that huge pump sort of beginning of October going with that burn announcement, which then listened to the community. Okay, and that was great to see. Community voted, that's what the community wanted, so the team have acted on it. Now, by burning them many tokens, they've lost a lot, haven't they? They've lost a lot of treasuries. They believe in the project long term. It's still sustainable without those. Okay, so that's really good to see. Also, going back on Crypti, you can see the amount of holders. 75,500 in the last day. We've had another 180 added. You can see there all the different ones. So, again, I think over time people see the project. Also, I spoke many times before about the Verawallet. I've done a video also about how to stake Veracity. It's a wonderful opportunity. Till next April at the moment. Whether that goes beyond that, we don't know. They normally made an announcement by now, but because of the massive burn, I wonder if they're going to discontinue the staking. I have no idea, okay? But lovely at the moment, all the free VRA I'm getting daily by staking. Make your crypto earn in a bear market. I always state that, okay? So it really is important to understand the potential of this project. I know I cover it a lot. I say it's one of my biggest hopes, and it's because it's so unique. Okay, and there's not much competition out there. There's a bit out there, but nothing. Veracity, I think, is easily, to me, a top 100 token. Easy. I can't believe it's not even going to be higher than that the next bull run, okay? I think this is a real absolute gem. I truly do. But as I say, it's never financial advice. Do your own research. Only time will tell. There's no guarantee. Now, obviously, I follow quite often with many projects. I check them on Scan to see how much is being moved around. You can see literally 4 minutes ago, 2.4 million moved to Gate, you know, and it goes through here. You can see all the ones, 1.2 million moved from Arbitrum 1, okay, to a wallet. Okay, so there's a lot. You can see here, literally in the last hour, the amount of VRA being traded, being moved around. So again, the fact they've got such a big burn, again, I think is absolutely important with this project long term. Okay, you go back to their site, I say that proof of view is absolutely huge. Now, the fact they've got the European license now, as well as Americas, I say, in China, etc., is naturally going to get big corporations because they don't want to spend billions, no, not actually reaching real people. And that's what this does. That's why I think Veraviews and the proof of view, especially got the patent now, is absolutely massive. I truly do. So just want to give an update on Veracity. I think it's absolutely fascinating what they're doing, and I really do believe in this project long term. Again, you go back to the price, I say 0.004 of a penny, which is absolutely crazy low. And the market approaching 41 million. Okay, so only time will tell where we get the next bull run. So thanks very much. Anyone help as usual? I say I put the links below for the previous videos about Veracity with about the token burn, about staking, and check those out. So don't hesitate to reach out, email me info@cryptostrain.com. Please hit the like, subscribe, please comment. Come and join us on our Telegram group, got my Facebook group. Come and interact there. It's great to understand. We've got a lot of Veracity fans on the group as well. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.